Good morning, students. In the previous class, I have already given you the introduction to the poem from the lesson 11. So today, as I told you earlier, that today we are going to have the explanation of the poem. So I suppose all of you have read the poem at least a few times. And today we'll just have a short explanation of this poem. It's not very difficult as such. It is a simple language is written, so it will be easy for us to complete it. So we have here, already I told you why the poet wants to meet an alien. Means he wanted to bring an alien, a strange person, a foreigner, or from another world, a creature. The reason was in order to make his mother scared. No, he wanted to make his mother frightened. That was the reason he wanted to bring an alien to the home. Let's see. Please follow the book, page 90 and 91. I'd like to meet an alien. Yeah, wouldn't that be neat? So, the meaning of neat is very nice. In an informal way, we speak that as very nice. So, the poet says that he wants to meet an alien. No, the I would short form I'd like to meet an alien. Yeah is usually we use it for yes. Yes. No, yeah, yes. So wouldn't that be neat? Yes, it should be. It will be very nice if I could meet an alien. I'm sure there's not another creature I would rather meet. Means he's saying, I am very much sure there will be no other creature I want to meet, but rather means I prefer to meet an alien. No, a creature from normal life is something different. Like if the poet could have taken like any other human being, the mother wouldn't get frightened or scared. But he wanted to make the mother frightened, so he wanted somebody else from another, something in a strange creature. So that is what he prefers. I wouldn't care if he was big. Now the poet says, or medium or tiny. No, he will not care. Means the poet says to himself, I won't mind if that creature is big, medium or tiny. Nothing else that is not going to matter to him, provided is supposed to be an alien for him. Or if his skin was rough and tough or super smooth and shiny. Then again saying, now size is not going to matter to him, and neither is not worried about what kind of skin the particular creature would have, like rough and tough or super smooth, very nice smooth, or shiny. It doesn't matter to him, provided it is a alien which will make his mother to get frightened. I would like him if his head were bald or covered up with hair. Again he is telling, no, whether it is that particular creature is having no hair. Bald means no hair. No, whether he has no hair at all or having very little hair, it doesn't make any difference. Or completely covered with hair also, he don't mind. No, but provided it is an alien. I would like him if his face were round, triangular or square. So whether that creature's face is round, triangular or square, I won't mind. I would like any type of this thing, either it is a round face it has, or triangular, or a square. I won't mind. He could be colored black and white or yellow, red and green. No, even he can be any color, like colored or different colors mixed one, or white alone or yellow alone, red or green, all mixed colors. I won't mind. He might be awfully dirty or meticulously clean. Now awfully means like can be very dirty. No, very dirty. We cannot approach at all. Or meticulously, thoroughly clean. No, opposite of either is very dirty also I don't mind, or it is thoroughly clean also, I don't mind. Both are, I have no problem. I would like him if he whispered, and I would like him if he yelled. So, and whether he is a creature who will whisper, means in a smooth, small and a whispering way, means like only I and one more person care, no, just going on whispering, or yelled, no, shouting at the top of voice. So the poet says, if that creature yells also, I have no problem, whisper also, but I would like to have an alien. I would like him if he used perfume or positively smelled. Positively smelled means absolutely. No, positively, absolutely. So, he says, if that creature used perfume, I don't mind, and or positively smelled. Whether good smell or bad smell, I don't mind. No, absolutely, I have no problem. It wouldn't matter much to me if he was soft or scaly. Scaly means covered with the scales, like no, fish has a scale, no, on the top part of the body, so kind of which can be removed, or we can make it that it's not that very smoothy and does not give a good look also sometimes. So he says, I have no problem. It will not matter to me much if a soft skin or a soft or scaly type of body also, I won't mind. Or if he danced with rumba. Rumba is a type of dance, Spanish American dance. No, whether that is creature knows rumba dance, I don't mind. Or he played the ukulele. No, ukulele is a Hawaiian guitar. No, whether it's all foreign. No, those type. If he plays also, no problem. If he dances also, I would like to have. He doesn't dance also, I would like have. If he know to play Hawaiian guitar also, I have no problem. If he doesn't know also, I have no problem. Then he could look like a lizard. Now, even if that creature look like a lizard, or be furry and mammalian, no, covered with the fur, or mammalian like a mammal, no, those type, walking in 2 legs or walking in 4 legs, I don't mind. No, so that also he is mentioning, I don't mind. It looks like a lizard. I'm not going to get scared, but only my intention is to make my mother frightened. So I would simply like to scare my mom by bringing home an alien. So I just want to, the whole reason that any type of character or any type of quality this particular creature have, I have no problem, provided I just want to simply make my mother frightened by bringing that particular alien to my home. So this is all about this creature. This is just for the this thing, and Ken, it's written by Ken Nesbitt. I already told you. So this is all. It's like just almost like a fantasy story, imagination of the poet. Try to give an entertainment, or just to take you back from the normal life. So just enjoy the poem, learn it. It will be very easy for you to learn, because it's like a short and very not very tough words are not there, except a few which is like some like nouns. Otherwise all the words are very easy. Please read it and learn. So all the best. Rest of the copy work will be given to you later. Thank you.